Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. From the home screen, press left on the remote. Navigate to and select Settings. Navigate to and select Multi-View. The available media source/app will display. For this example, select Samsung Internet. A second window will be added. To go to View Selection Mode, press and hold the Return button. Select a desired screen. You can select content from the list and view it in full screen. Use Multi-View to display two screens and adjust the small window position. Audio from both screens can play at the same time, with adjustable sound or via a Bluetooth speaker. Exit Multi-View to return to full screen. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.